you?
I'm Danny, guys.
Yes, she's my best friend.
Where are we?
SM!
We're here at the film to take some
Oh, yung
pictures.
magdadala mo. Akala ko may
Tama naman. We're here at the film to take some pictures because the flight is tomorrow and we only have a few hours left. Goodbye!
Yeah, goodbye guys. Goodbye. Ayan, let's go. Okay, wait.
10 seconds per shot, no retake mo sa picture. Ito pa yung camera sa
This one?
Yan.
And then this one.
Hindi, wait lang. This one and then this one.
Or ito.
Yan. Color.
Just plain black.
No. Blue. Yellow is cute. Yeah, yellow. No! Where to? A cinema. I'm gonna try to find.
She paid for
Asian.
the film.
Kasi wala akong gift sa kanya. Nung birthday niya. Nakatulog na kasi ako. I was supposed to greet her at exactly 12 a.m.
Still,
Pero nakatulog.
nakatulog ka? Bakit, hindi ka nagising kinabukasan?
At least, ako nga last greeter eh. Okay lang, it's the thought that counts.
Salamat sa thought na yun
Yeah. Sabi kasi, it's the thought that counts. Ka-transport tayo sa sinihan. Tatalon tayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Cinema. Touchdown cinema. We're gonna order some food. Show mo yung milk tea mo.
Next.
Cave. How's the movie?
Very nice.
Sabay-sabay tayong mag-Canada, guys.
Okay guys, let's
Nandun pala yung joy. Nandun yung home.
Ay,
Yeah. Sa kabila. Does this mark the end of our short day?
I'm going home tomorrow.
Yeah. She's going back to her
I'm going back to my country tomorrow.
well, countries. Because where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Yeah. That's her home.
That's my
And-
home.
Yeah, and my home
Guys,
is here.
sadly, I'm not a resident here. Oh, there's a car coming. Tara na.
Ito na yung car namin, guys.
That's our car.
Wow! Alam mo, sasabi mo sa car natin.
Ganda.
Super ba?
Sa lupo tayo. Special tayo. Sa
Di
lupo
ba?
sinusunod.
Hatid sundo.
Oh my God.
Iba talaga pag may friend kang Australian.